Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training. In this video, we're going to look at a problem where we've received some data that contains dates, but the dates have been imported as text values, and they're also in the wrong format for our region. So I'm in the UK. This example here is in the US format, month, day, year. Then I've got another format here where it's year, month, and day. Often you get dates imported into Excel in that way. And I've also got text dates that are in the right format, but I want them to be numeric values. And there's a number of ways you can do this, but the way I'm going to show you how to do this in this video is to use the text to columns function. So let's start with the US format. So these are text values. You can see that they're text values because they're on the left of the cell. Dates should be stored as numbers because all dates that are recognized by Excel anyway have a serial number behind them. So I need to not only convert these to numbers, but I need to get them in the right format. If I look down here, I can see 03/31/2018. So it's obviously incorrect format for the UK format. So once I've selected the cells, all I need to do is go to the Data tab on my ribbon. Then I need to go over to text columns, and I just go next. Make sure all the delimiter checkboxes are unticked. Next. I go to date here, and what I do is I choose the format not of what I want to change it to, but what it's currently formatted as. So that will be month, day, and year for the US format. Click on finish. If I look down there, it's converted them to the correct format, day, month, year, correct format for my region anyway. And also the dates have gone to the right of the cell, which tells me that they're now stored as numeric values. So the same is true of this format, where I've got year, month, day, text to columns, next, make sure I've got all the delimiters unticked. Now with this, I can actually just stick it at general, that's fine. Click on finish, does it all for me. And it's true also of dates that are in the correct format, but they're stored as text values. Again, that's just because of the import. So text to columns, next, finish. It sorts it out for me. So simple little video. Hopefully that's helpful for someone. Thanks very much for listening. It's been Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training.